Here in southwest North Dakota, we're starting to see more and more of an issue with soil acidity or low pH in the topsoil, especially in long-term no-till where you're putting down large amounts of nitrogen over time. We're starting to see this in the top 2 inches if you've been applying surface nitrogen, or a little bit deeper down if most of the nitrogen's been coming on as anhydrous ammonia. So a typical 0 to 6 or a 0 to 12 soil sample might not pick up a small layer of low pH. Once the pH drops below 5.5, that changes availability of things like aluminum and manganese. So aluminum causes something called aluminum toxicity, and that stunts the roots of the plant and makes it drought stressed. So the best way to manage this issue is to fix the soil pH. So that would be done with application of lime. Our research is showing about 2 tons of lime minimum to really change that pH. Surface applied, it's not going to be a very quick fix. In the meantime, while you're waiting for that soil to change, there are some strategies and management tools that you can use to try to get through this issue. One of the most important tools is your crop selection. Things like hard red spring wheat have some tolerance, especially within certain varieties. Crops like oats, teff, corn can handle this low pH issue a lot better. And you're definitely not going to want to choose any type of legume. The legume gets hit twice as hard in these low pH conditions because not only are they being impacted by the root size, but acidic soil also impacts bacteria. That's how we fix our nitrogen. In order to make sure that we're getting the most out of our field, choose something that's going to do well under the conditions that you have.